Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu naniyazi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no
Sharp Makhosi kunjani Kamera Team Mfokasiwela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
yabona futhi sekuyi-channel yamakhosi le manje.
Ayo abiyele.
Ilungile hayi yabona umuntu ube-overconfident unjani? Shuthi iyasebenza le mandate yakho yini lo oyidiliva le memorandum
Iyasebenza.
iyasebenza memorandum ne
Yeah.
hayi nathi we should try.
No.
On today's episode vele sizokhuluma ngayo i-Kaizer Chiefs. Hayi, you've been doing well my friend.
Yeah.
You've won 5 games in a row. That's the first time ngazi unyaka mngaki.
Since 2015.
Awu, kanti uyayazi nestate sakhona. Yeah, kodwa ke ilokho ngathi nje ukuphawula kwakho nge-team spirit.
I think later we've all sayisho futhi. Na last video ngishilo. Ukuthi the more about it the more confident you get. But overall mina what I'm impressed ngako lebesihlala sikhala ngako. I think the past 3 games the chopping and changing is not happening kakhulu yabo sekuyenzeka ukuthi sishintshe 1 2 yabo like last game we just changed 1 so you see with the boys mhlambe they are winning, they are getting used to each other, the combinations maybe are working. You know mangidlala ibhola mangithi ngibona I know ukuthi umbono ngapha ngithola ngapha ngomphasa ngapha now you know no uRemso ngapha
you can confirm mangabe sekusebenza.
Exactly. So you can so I feel like the squad is getting there. Ukuthi phela on another thing sakhuluma the squad getting there and all that. Ukuthi phela I know ukuthi I've always preached this thing Kaizer Chiefs need a coach. But I can't fault the guys 5 wins in a row. They are doing good. Just give credit where it's true. If they need to win something, they must win something more.
So when you still need more convincing, or you can say maybe they deserve the opportunity.
Makhosi I'm not saying they deserve opportunity. Opportunity by Tony, abayisebenzisayo eniyaphela end of the season. Bayiphela bahambe. That's what I'm saying. But I'm saying will 5 out of 5. Let's not act like they are doing nothing. They are doing something. Even though like we didn't play good, we just got the results. But I'm saying will 5 games they did good. But I'm a coach. But I'm not saying abahlali.
Right.
Okay. Hey, but I like the fact that they are slowly not chopping and changing, you know. Yeah.
What if they've got this thing now, because fella you need just those few luck and abadlali now they will start believing in your ideas and maybe it's a change.
No. Ngiyakuzwa futhi ngiyavumelana nawe. Phela if management, if management like abo Kaizer they believe ukubona, they giving them support. The best thing we can do as fans at the end of the day is to support them.
Hayi ngizobanikeza ngazi ke manje i-memorandum seniyidilivile. What's the next step? Because it looks like you are following the political route kahle. Yeah.
But if there are no results, as fans we have the right to complain if we don't see the result.
Yeah.
It's more like you are saying, it seems like the memorandum is working.
Yeah.
Immediately friends went there to raise the colors out, and then we started to see a different Kaizer Chiefs. Where was this Kaizer Chiefs all along?
Yeah, that's true.
Exactly.
That's true. As we back to the game, Enizoyidlala 18.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, right. Against Polokwane City. Ngiyazi ukuthi ubona vele.
Now ubona
njalo. Mina phela ngeke ngikubonele.
Kodwa now ubona njalo.
It's not right ukuthi ngikubonele. Wena uzibona uwina. Mhlawumbe mapha ama-advantages ongathi unawo over iPolokwane City.
I think by default, winning 5 out of 5.
Yeah.
The confidence in Global Fana is high.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.
So without being motivated or anything, the 5 out of 5 they are already motivated, right?
Yes.
So another thing is very paid. The fact with this squad status sheet, I'm happy. And then to touching the game swag in the squad. Maubuga the likes of Umayo scoring a goal. Him as an individual now, not as a team. He confident as a player now. Because it seems like the same potential la mode. So everything was going bad, until he scored a goal. So why as an individual in believe but to go game again, if given a chance, he'll want to prove a point again. He can score.
Even performance wise.
Yes.
Besides scoring.
Yes. Performance it's gonna be different because the attitude is like, okay, it's doable, I can do it, you know. And then if you look the leagues of him too. Major Magic is working there.
Right.
So yeah, the boys are well confident.
Yeah.
So going to this Polokwane game, I don't see Polokwane troubling us. Even though if you Abugi history, you will see what can be Polokwane. Goes punishing one goal. They don't score too many goals, type of thing. And right now I feel like Polokwane is not doing well as such. It's more like a team that's playing to just survive with maybe top 8. Yeah, not even survive, top 8. The team is like back top 8. And looking at our form, I'm for you. There's no way we're shy.
Okay. I hear you, my brother. The confidence you have.
Confidence
on another level.
Right.
No, it's a good thing.
The confidence is right.
I'm not crucifying it. I'm happy that finally you're getting this thing,
I
heard that.
I hope the coaches are getting it.
Okay.
Not us as fans. Us as fans, we know what we want. And we've been saying it. You see in our past game, they changed Msima. And I was not happy with that. Because Msima, my previous game was playing good. But for Mikel, for me, even the game was struggling, was not comfortable enough. I feel like we could have done better even Nagle across. And in Lula again, Upegele facing goalkeeper. No. Those little things that sends out, you chop and changing. No, if it's working, don't change. Okay. And then another thing, Basabu keep on the lap.
Yeah.
The lap was giving us nothing. But when mentality, yes, he's like he will score. But if it's not working for the game, no, I felt like that game at some point needed to available in that side. But we played really for the whole game and it was giving us nothing. So the coaches must get it right, not us as fans.
Yeah, they are getting it right.
The problem
they are getting it right. Why not say you must give credit where it's true?
Yes, I
do.
And
that's what is happening. Yes, as we are saying. Kodwa given ukuthi i-team idlala kangakanani, I do believe ukuthi ikhona i-contribution yakhe.
Ikhona because the first goal is his assist. We are not waiting with the silver and then our convert.
Yeah.
So the only thing the team is doing right is to score goals.
So now with high confidence, uzokwazi ukuthatha ama-decisions right.
Yeah. Siyavumelana, but at the same time, I need to ask if you're not doing good. My coach akabiza uhlaya now.
Yeah.
Because umuzodlala in the sense ukuthi you don't fight for your place. You will never be bad.
Exactly. Yeah. Kuthiwa nidlala kangcono kakhulu bengabe sengasekho enidlalelayo.
Just you are saying, tell us not pressure. We play for fun. Play for fun. But nakhona go right.
Yeah.
We are born right now. I feel like we're not playing which is from Catholic. It was like this is the energy which is starting number 3 or 2 if possible. But obviously we're like, okay, so Africa. So that's the thing. I equal a hand, man. But as Africa we can fumble. Because just the other which is not going.
Yeah.
But right now, what's nuclear position? There's no pressure. Maintaining pressure. But again, the confidence was low. So right now, the boys are in the right track. Confident wise is in 9th. But the biggest test for them is coming.
All right. Yeah. The biggest test. Not one. Not one.
The biggest test is coming.
Yeah,
so
it's coming.
We'll be talking about it maybe more next week.
Yeah. Perfect. Sicela ukuthi ningakhohlwa ukubuka ama-videos ethu towards the end or up to the end. At least buku halfway for that matter. The reason yalokho ukuthi we want to reach bigger audience. And YouTube into ozobona ngayo ukuthi this audience is good for abantu. It's you watching it towards the end. We'll see you on another one.